These protesters say they're getting the squeeze from state lawmakers and accuse them of trying to water down California's lemon law.
Former Marine Corporal William Woods traded in his car worth more than $10,000 near Camp Pendleton. But the car that he got in return was a lemon. And when he tried to take it back, the dealer took it and kept his traded car, too.
Rosemary Shahan is with Cars for Consumers for Auto Reliability and Safety. She says Woods' story is one too familiar with members of the armed forces. Troops are being slammed with excessive interest rates, expensive add-ons, and yo-yo deals.
Thank you.
Shahan's nonprofit group gave Corporal Woods $3,000 to buy a reliable used car.
We're very grateful for his service, and we've got his back.
Rachel and Jacqueline Hauk rented a car to visit their mom in Ventura County when their PT Cruiser caught on fire and crashed, killing them. The rental car was on a safety recall list for a power steering hose defect.
They continued to rent out recalled cars prior to getting them a fix.
When there's a safety recall, the manufacturer agrees that the car is really unsafe.